Hello. In this video, I will introduce the SmartForm feature for Smartsheet in Gia Thinh automation service. The SmartForm tool brings the following benefits. Firstly, it allows flexible creation of complex relationships between data fields on the Smartsheet form. Next is saving time, as it helps automatically adjust options based on previous selections, speeding up on data entry on the Smartsheet form. Lastly, it ensures high accuracy by minimizing errors and confusion through automatically updating appropriate options. The next demo will clarify the functionality of SmartForm. The usage scenario is as follows. Suppose we have a form named SmartForm Demonstration in Smartsheet. This is a standard Smartsheet form that has been pre-built, and on this form we have three fields: company, department, and team. In the company field, there are three options: company A, B, and C. The department fields correspond to each company. Departments A1, A2, A3 belong to company A. Departments B1, B2 belong to company B, and departments C1, C2, C3 belong to company C. Similarly, this goes for team field options, in which there are teams that correspond to the departments of company A, company B, and company C, respectively. Assuming we select company A, the department fields belonging to the company A are listed: A1, A2, A3. When selecting A1, the following team fields will appear associated with company A. Now, if we were to switch to company B, there are the departments belonging to company B. This also goes for the teams to the departments and companies of B. Switching to company C, we will have departments of company C, and similarly for teams. After entering the data and selecting options for the company, department, and team, press Submit to save the entered data on this form into a standard SmartForm demonstration sheet. A new row will appear for company C, department C2, and team C21. Now, the question arises: how do we set up a SmartForm? The answer is that you will need to do these three things. First, create a configuration sheet in Smartsheet to establish relationships between company, department, and team information fields. Next, create a SmartForm task created in Gia Thinh automation service. Lastly, you must install a SmartForm extension on the browser. That browser can be Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and the SmartForm extension was developed by Gia Thinh. In the next part, we'll go into more detail about each job you need to do. First, let's talk about the corporation organization configuration sheet. Here you can see the sheet structure consists of three columns: company, department, and team. The company column contains a list of company A, B, and C. The departments column contains departments A1, A2, A3, a part of company A, B1, B2, a part of company B, and C1, C2, C3, a part of company C. Similarly, in the team column, we have teams A11 and A12, belonging to department A1, and so on. We define teams belonging to each department in this column and belonging to the corresponding companies. In the next step, we will build a SmartForm task in the Gia Thinh automation service. We will reference the company, department, and team columns in here. Let's move on to the second step, which is creating a task to manage the SmartForm on the Gia Thinh automation service platform. Gia Thinh Company provides automation services for SmartForm. In this scenario, the SmartForm task, called Demo SmartForm, is created. As you can see at the top, a Smartsheet form URL is declared. This form is the one we use to enter data in the first part of the demo. At the bottom here, I also referenced the corporation organization configuration sheet. This is the sheet where we define relationships between company, department, and team information. And in this section, we will define the detailed relationships. For example here, I create the relationship between company and department in step number 1, and the relationship between the department and the team in step number 2. Let's move on to the third thing, which is installing a SmartForm extension. Gia Thinh Company has developed the SmartForm extension so that you can install and use it on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browsers. To install, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and click on the Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge settings, or Get Extensions for Google Chrome. Here, I have pre-installed WeGrid SmartForm extension. After installing this extension, it will appear on your browser. A WeGrid logo appears like this, and this screen will contain necessary information to help connect your form to the Gia Thinh automation service. Thanks to this extension running in the background, when you choose Company A, Companies B and C here will help filter out the extension for rooms A1, A2, A3, respectively. Thank you for watching the presentation. If you have any questions or need advice, please contact us according to the information below. We supply products of Smartsheet and WeSmart. WeGrid solutions help digitalize and automate processes in your organization.